Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download, install and activate Microsoft Office 2021 Professional Plus. Let's start. First, create a folder on your desktop. Right click, New, Folder, name it Office. Good. Open Google Chrome, search for Office Deployment Tool. Enter, download Office Deployment Tool. Download, select Download. Save, show in folder. Just right click, run as administrator. Yes, click here. Continue. From desktop, select your folder Office. OK. File is extracted successfully. OK. Now, let's go to our desktop. Let's check our folder. Now I have two files. Just delete this one. Delete. Good. Again, come back to Google Chrome. Open new window. Search for Office Customization Tool. Enter Office Customization Tool. If your PC is 32-bit, select 32-bit. My PC is 64, so I select 64. Office Suites. Select Office Professional Plus 2021. Here you can select Visio. Also you can select Project. I ignore this. Just scroll down. Select your desired app. Excel I need. OK. Just next. Select language. English United States. Scroll down. Next. Next. And check this one. Next. Select KMS. Next. Next. Finish. Export. Office Open XML format. OK. I accept. Export. Go to desktop. Find your folder Office. Open it. Name it configuration.xml. Please name it configuration.xml. Save. Good. Now open it. I have set up and configuration file. Please, it must be like this. Close it. Select the folder. Ctrl C. Open disk C. Ctrl V. Now open command prompt. CMD. Please run it as administrator. Yes. Now come back to your folder. Open it. Click here to find the path. Ctrl C. Come back to command prompt. Just write CD space, then Ctrl V. Enter. Now open another window. Search for Deploy Office 2021. Just enter. Open Deploy Office. Scroll down. Please don't select this one. It's wrong. It's download. I don't need this one. Select this one. Set up configuration.xml file. It's like my configuration name. Just copy. Come back to your command prompt. Ctrl V. Enter. Good. Yes, it started. Now we just have to wait. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe as respect to our effort. It is done. Just close. You can close this one also. Just minimize. You can delete this folder also. From here, search for Word. This one. Open it. Blank document. Close. I accept. Close. Open this one. Good. Now from File, Account, you see activation required. Now you have to buy product key from Microsoft Store or any legal sites. Then after buying product key, just from change product key. After buying product key, just insert the product key and enter. Then your apps will be activated and you can use it. That's all. Have a nice time.